G'day everybody, it is another day today. It's a new day and I think it's what, day 6? Day 6 since we got retrenched. But guess what? We're changing the subject today. No more doom and gloom. For 3 days I am taking my girls to a medieval festival to a town called Balingup, which is south of Perth. This festival is all about medieval. We're going to be dressing up. We're going to take the Land Cruiser here. We've got the pop-up tent. The girls will sleep in there. It's going to be very cold. And I'll sleep in the back. So join me today. We will pack up, get ready for this festival. Something happy. We'll break out of our doldrums. And let's think about the festival for the next 3 days. I'm going to bring you guys along for the ride. It's going to be bloody fun. And yeah, let's do it. Alright guys, we're going to have a cheeky little break right now and I'm going to tell you how I'm feeling. I think after, we're in day 6 and I'm actually feeling really excited today. Totally different to yesterday where I was in the last 5 days full of doubt. What am I doing? Am I abandoning my family? And I've always paid for my kids, and I love my kids big time. You know what I mean? Like maintenance. And I was on good salary, so you pay good maintenance. And that's a big chunk of money they're not going to see until I get settled over there. So there is a matter of urgency. I can't go in this thinking that I can just large it on the beach at Da Nang. I want to do that, but I can't. I've got to get the money rolling. And this channel is, I'm going all in on my channel, so guys, drop us a sub. It's the best thing you can do for us right now, and then everything will fall in place.
So I headed up to the hills to pick up the girls. The drive from Perth to Balingup took just a few hours, winding through rolling hills, forests and country towns, before arriving in the peaceful little village that feels like worlds away.
Alrighty, we have arrived at our camp spot, which is on the outskirts of town here, and yeah, we're going to set up our camp. Here's our tent here. We'll set up a tripod. And
she doesn't bite at all. She just likes to kiss. No, I like it. She likes cuddle.
Balingup is a small town in West Australia's southwest. First settled in the mid-1800s and officially gazetted in 1898 when the railway arrived. Once known for timber, fruit and dairy, it's now famous for its scenic trails, organic farming and lively events like the Small Farm Field Day and Medieval Carnival.
Alrighty, we are in Balingup now and it is the day before the festival. So it is Friday night, is it? Yeah, Friday night. And we're here super early. Beautiful town. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous town. And yeah, they're just setting up. So the festivities kick off tomorrow.
On the way home we ran into another little event. It was a special dinner held in the local town hall.
Alright guys, what we got behind us is a total nerd fest for the Balingup Medieval Festival. They're having a big dinner over there. I think it's like $170 a plate. So yeah, we're peasants, so it's a bit out of our reach. We do not have the gold to afford it. But anyway, these guys are having a bunch of fun. Check them out. It's looking pretty good.
After we got home, we bunkered down in the tents in the vehicle to what was going to be a very cold night, and I ended up going next door and having a few drinks with the neighbours.
Alright guys, this is my first sample of, it's mead, isn't it?
Honey mead liqueur.
Honey mead liqueur.
From Bartholomew's Heat. And the taste.
Oh wow.
You feel
That's,
the warmth?
I don't feel the warmth, but the taste was nice. It's almost sour sweet.
Yeah, the sweetness is the big thing about it. Mead is more beer and wine-like.
Right.
And that is a liqueur.
Because I thought when I heard of mead, I thought it was like a beer, like a frothy, sweet drink.
And they sell that.
Ah, but this is a more of a spirited mead.
Liqueur, yeah.
So does the mead taste like honey as well? Like,
Yes,
like the beer mead-ish?
Yeah, that mead does have honey
Right.
in it as well, because they have beehives all round.
Oh my God, this is good. This is...
It's a bit addictive.
It's like, I don't know, it's almost toffee-ish.
Yes.
You know what I mean? It gives you that toffee
feeling.
aftertaste.
Yes, and
It's in the nose.
it stays as well.
It's good. I
It's
like.
really beautiful.
It tastes way better than it smells, is what I would say.
Mm.
Only because it smells really strong, like
Strong.
very, very alcohol, but the taste is it's sublime.
Yeah, at Bartholomew's they actually have a whole hive in
Oh,
a
wow.
glass chamber going through, and you can actually watch the queen bees and the
Really?
bees making the honey. And it's all the water comes from the natural caves around the Denmark area, which is just, it's pure. It's pure, and they actually say that on the bottle.
Mm.
And it says the
Oh my
percentage.
God.
If you look at the percentage on the bottle,
That label. It's 18% alcohol.
alcohol.
So it's like it's a bit like
It's called once.
it's like the Baileys. Baileys
Yes.
is about a 16,
They
right?
call it once the nectar of gods and goddesses. Honey wine is now available to mortals with discerning taste, made from the highest quality honey. Bartholomew's Mead is a light wine with lovely floral aromas and delicate flavours.
Oh, like describe it as a light wine. And we're kind of thinking it's a liqueur, right?
Which they do call it honey liqueur.
Oh, do they? Oh, yummy.
But it's got the
so good.
it's got the flavours of the wine.
Oh my God, that's good.
The making and drinking of mead is an ancient tradition
Ah, that's
considered
what we want to know.
the giver of life, wisdom,
Oh.
courage and strength. Mead was the traditional honeymoon drink
Ooh.
consumed during the moon-long celebrations after the wedding.
Ah, so it's a bit of a aphrodisiac, is that what they're
Aphrodisiac,
saying?
yeah, made
Yeah,
with
we're implying.
yes, it is.
Jeez, I'm gonna stop drinking that.
Yeah. Made with raw honey and pure Denmark rainwater.
Oh my God, sounds good. You can't sell that.
Can't get any
anymore to
better
me.
than that, can you?
Nah, that's gold, isn't it?
It
It's
is
delicious.
gold.
So we settled around the campfire and had a few more drinks, and then we bunkered down for a cold night ahead.
And we had an absolute ball when we were all dancing and
Stay tuned for the next episode, and do us a favour everyone, hit that subscribe button. It's the best way you can support us right now. And if you want the updates on the latest releases, hit the bell button there for the notifications. Catch you next time. Thanks for visiting our channel.